Picture this: George Washington, the first president of the United States, the man on the $1 bill, didn't have a middle name. Quite a surprise, isn't it? Now let's delve into the journey of this remarkable man who helped shape the United States of America. Born into a family of planters in colonial Virginia, Washington's tale is one of immense struggle and triumph. Losing his father at a young age, he started his career as a professional surveyor. His life took a dramatic turn when he joined the military, sparking a series of events that would forever change his destiny. The French and Indian War was a crucible for Washington, a testing ground where he honed his leadership skills. Despite initial setbacks, he emerged from the war as a decorated officer, earning the respect of his peers and superiors. But it was the American Revolutionary War that truly put Washington on the path to the presidency. As the commander-in-chief of the Continental Army, Washington faced an uphill battle against the British. His leadership, strategic acumen, and unwavering resolve played a pivotal role in the American victory, and in turn, the birth of a new nation. The end of the war didn't mean rest for Washington. The newly formed United States of America needed a leader, and who better than the man who had led them to victory? On April 30th, 1789, Washington took the oath of office, becoming the first president of the United States. During his presidency, Washington set the standards for future leaders. He established the cabinet system, signed the first United States copyright law, and maintained neutrality during the French Revolution, proving his dedication to the well-being and progress of his country. In summary, George Washington's journey from a Virginia planter to the first president of the United States is a tale of determination, leadership, and vision. His presidency marked the beginning of a new era, setting the tone for the future of the United States.